Hello, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I went to Tokyo in 2012. I'm now making a series of videos about this trip and the video that you're watching right now is part 18 of this series. If you want to learn more about why I went to Japan in 2012 and why I'm sharing those videos now, I recommend that you watch part 1 of this series of video, which is basically the introduction. Throughout this series, I'm reading the notes that I wrote back in 2012 in French. So here's Japan and here is Tokyo. Lundi 13 août 2012. That's a closer look at Tokyo. Skype d'environ 5h40 à 6h20. So the house I lived in was somewhere there, so every morning I walked to Kosuge Station. À l'école jusqu'à 12h45. So during the week, in the morning, I went to school. So I took 3 trains from Kosuge Station to Shinokubo Station, and then I walked from Shinokubo Station to the language school. Départ à 13h de l'école, direction la serre tropicale à Dome, Yume no Shima. Station Shinkiba. Arrivée à environ 14h30. That is Shinkiba Station, so that's in Koto City. The Tokyo Center is there and that is here. Right, so that's Shinkiba Station and here Yume no Shima Tropical Greenhouse Dome. Some very cool photos of it. So I basically only started to film in the afternoon after I got out of Shinkiba Station. Very windy. Very beautiful, a lot of palm trees. Oh wow, okay. Right, so finally locating the dome. Sunflowers. Finally found it. Very impressive. C'est fermé. So the funny thing is that today is Monday and it's closed to visitors, but because it's Japan and everything is open, I just entered and I didn't know it was closed today. Yeah, so I entered through that door, which was open, which is normal. I actually really remember that. So I don't really know what I'm going to do because I crossed like the whole city to get there. So I'm going to walk in the park a little bit. And that's it. So I left at 1 p.m. the school and now it's 2:45, so you need a bit of time to get there. Yeah, I kind of got lost too, I think. So I don't know if I'm going to come back there like another day. I will see what I can visit around this area. Yeah, I didn't film that. I didn't film when I was inside, but I actually remember being inside, so inside the building, and seeing someone who was like surprised to see me. And I asked and she told me, no, it's closed today. And so I was like, sumimasen, and then went back. And she told me, you go outside this way. And so I left the building and left there. But like, yeah, I actually remember that. And that was just so funny to me because everything was open And I didn't understand why there was no one, but it was just, everything was just left open, so I just entered like this. You see, nobody to stop me. Little cats, sunflowers, sunflowers. More cats, oh so cute. Yeah, just relaxing in the park. What am I taking a photo of? Did I get sunburned? Oh no. I think I'm taking a photo of how sweaty I was because of how hot it was. That's ridiculous. So that's the book I had, you see. So that's why sometimes I got lost because I didn't have internet. So I'm going to go to Ueno and to walk around in the little streets. And maybe go again to the park, the Ueno Park. So basically I was using that book with all the maps and everything. I think at the time I wasn't really used to like planning my trips with internet and Google Maps. I don't know how good it was at the time or not. And anyway, I didn't have internet on my phone, so I was using that book that I think my aunt gifted to me. That is very pretty. It would be prettier if it was the right way. Okay. Alright. Départ à environ 15h, direction Ueno. J'ai fait du shopping à Ueno jusqu'à environ 18h30. Ueno Station. I really like this place because there were a lot of little shops around Ueno Station. What am I filming? Just filming in the station. So now I'm in Ueno. Oh, those are cool. Oh, that is cool. So that's some matcha tea. So I am trying green tea in a tea shop. There are even like ice cream with tea. It's a little bit strange. It says. Yeah, it's not too bad. I think that was matcha tea basically, not just green tea. And then obviously back to Kosuge Station and then walking back to the house. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. It makes me just so nostalgic about the time I was in Tokyo and it makes me want to go back so badly. But yeah, that will be in the future at some point. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!